Want to see the secret behind the voice of authority? Today we tear down our 100W premium speaker. Check out the magnetic force comparison in the video. Ours measures 1300, while the competitor's is only 1000. That extra 30% is the core secret behind our superior loudness and piercing sound. Our circuit is perfectly intact, while competitors there leaking energy, showcasing our precision charging process to ensure peak efficiency from day 1 to year 5. Zero thermal damage, zero magnetic loss after 72 hours. This is the reliability needed for extreme emergencies. Infused with high-performance ferrofluid, improving sound, preventing wear. And the secret to our 72 hours burn-in survival.